Hello guys, and welcome back to MSX Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the KB5 update error code, and let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you guys can do is make your way over to settings. From settings, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and go over to system. From system, go over to troubleshoot, and then go over to other troubleshooters. Now what you want to do from here is the first thing that you want to run is the background intelligent transfer service troubleshooter. You want to go ahead and just click on run. Once you click on run, go ahead and just let the diagnostic scan and let it just run basically, and you want to click on yes once the screen does pop up. Now from here, just wait for it to load. If it doesn't load, you can just X out and then run it back if it doesn't load. But anyways, it should just say yes, and then you want to basically just click on yes, let it run basically. Click on yes and then follow the directions from there. Now the second, once that's basically done, I recommend restarting your PC, but once that's done, what you want to do is you want to then run the Windows Update troubleshooter, and then you want to basically do the same exact thing. You want to just hit yes and then just follow the steps from there. And once you're done with both of these, you guys should be good to go, and that is it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.